Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now the topic is about the properties of the benzene or electrophilic substitution reactions of the benzene. Under that, one is the important one is the nitration of benzene. What happens? Benzene is on nitration. Benzene on treatment with the concentrated solution of HNO3 as well as in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Both are the concentrated and 1:1 ratio if it is taken, that we call as a nitration mixture. Then the developed one is a nitronium ion is the electrophile. Here the H2SO4 is acting as a catalyst as well as a dehydrating agent. The water is removed like this. Here in order to write directly the product, for the sake of my convenience, the HNO3 can be written as H1 and NO2. The benzene is nothing but all the C6H6 is there. Loss of H from here and the OH from here. NO2 is going to sit on the benzene. That is a one direct way to write the product. And what are the electrophile generators? In the presence of what, that the like a concentrated HNO3 H2SO4 is given, which is a one better one. Concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated solution of H2SO4 1:1 ratio and heated, and the second one is given NO2 plus ClO4 minus is given, which is also the nitronium ion generator, and third one is a NO2 plus BF4 minus is given, which is also nitronium ion generator. And if the dilute HNO3 is given or the concentrated HNO3 is given, which is also the nitronium ion is generator, and N2O5 is given, these are all used to generate electrophile in the nitration of the benzene is what? Nitronium ion. These are all used to develop electrophile nitronium ion. Now the mechanism of the nitration of the benzene, we know well. Nitronium ion is an electrophile which is getting substituted on the benzene, that we call aromatic electrophilic substitution. Every aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction proceeded by 3 steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Step 1 is a formation of an electrophile. Here the H2SO4 is there, which is the strongest acid which produces H plus HSO4 minus, where the HNO3, OH, NO2, here the H plus is came out. The density of the electron on the oxygen is a more. Hence it attract the H plus, it become H2O plus and NO2. Oxygen is a being most electronegative element. It never appears to be as a positively charged one. Then adjacent electrons are taken, are accepted by the oxygen. As a result, water is eliminated and this bond pair of electrons is lost by the nitrogen. Hence, it is a nitronium ion. Like this one possibility to form electrophile. Where the second possibility is that if the dilute HNO3 is given, it undergoes autoprotalysis, means self-protalysis. HNO3, H plus NO2, NO3 minus, and another mole of the HNO3 is taken. Again, the same thing that is taken place in the above step, and the nitronium ion is generated. Second step is the formation of the sigma complex. Here is the benzene, all the carbon hydrogen bonds are there. In the presence of the nitronium ion, let us imagine these electrons are polarized toward this side, it gets negative charge and it gets positive charge. The negative charge attracted this electrophile. Hence, here the resonance stabilization will take place, and by taking the last structure, again whatever that the base is presented here, HSO4 minus ion, or here is a NO3 minus ion which accepted the proton, and it makes or gets converted into aromatic and it is highly stable because which satisfies the Haeckel's principle. Hence H2SO4 is came out at the end of the step or the last step. Here different examples which regarding the nitration of the benzene. Benzene on nitration, any one of the nitration agent is given at below 60 degrees centigrade is a mandate, that is 50 or 55. One is a nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene again on nitration slightly greater than 50 degrees or the 60 degrees, about 90 degrees. Since the nitro group is the electron withdrawing group, hence here the electrophile preferably just substitutes at meta position only. That's what 1,3 dinitrobenzene. Again, if it is heated more than 90 degrees or over 100 degrees centigrade, then 1 comma 3 comma 5 trinitrobenzene, 3 electrophiles, that is electron withdrawing groups are presented over on the benzene. If the phenol is taken on the nitration mixture where the HNO3 is taken in the concentrated, hence it forms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here 2 comma 4 comma 6 trinitrophenol, that is a very important one, that the picric acid. It is due to the presence of 3 electron withdrawing groups on the phenol. The acidity of this phenol is very high. Its a pKa value is near about 0 or 1 only. If a dilute HNO3 is taken, then since the oxygen is an electron releasing group is there, if the electron releasing group is nothing but newly substituting electrophile gets substituted preferably at ortho and para position. Those are also very important one. One is orthonitrophenol, another one is a paranitrophenol. Here is orthonitrophenol. Here is a steam volatile because it has intramolecular hydrogen bonding, whereas paranitrophenol is a slightly higher temperature because of it associated with intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Next example, aniline on nitration. Here the different products, since the nitrogen is also containing a lone pair of electron, as a result of this the reactivity of the benzene towards the electrophilic substitution is increases. As a result, what it forms, a different are the multiple products are forming. Approximately it is 57% and it is a 40 above percentage, it is 1%, it's a very slightly very small amount of the product is obtained in this factor. What is the reason behind that? When aniline is treated with H2SO4 or any proton donating substances, what it become? It is getting converted into anilinium ion. Here the originally it is an electron donating group is there, but when it is associated with anilinium ion, it becomes an electron withdrawing group. Due to that, the multiple products are obtaining. But in order to get only one product, what we need to do, the protection of the aniline group is must be done, that in the form of the acyl or any of the protecting group. How the protection of aniline by treating any of the acyl group, where the loss of HCl will take place, N-acyl aniline. Originally it is electron withdrawing group. When it is acyl group is presented over on the nitrogen of aniline, it withdraws the electron density. As a result, the donating capacity of the electrons towards the phenyl ring is decreases, hence it is an electron withdrawing group. When the electron withdrawing group is presented, it directs the incoming electrophile to sit at ortho and para position. After this, if you hydrolyze it simply, then the bonds are broken and eliminated as acetic acid, hence the para-nitroaniline and ortho-nitroaniline, only mono-substituted product is obtained. When the biphenyls is treated with a nitration mixture, imagine it is a benzene is given. What is happened directly? Nitrobenzene will come. But here is a phenyl ring is there. Phenyl ring is electron withdrawing group is present. As a result, here the more stable compound, instead of ortho position, the para position is a highly stable one. Here is also the OH, Br and NO2. What the 2 is electron releasing groups and 1 is electron withdrawing group is present. Hence the incoming electrophile sits at that position.